I made you feel in a new expression. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes always shade black burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I get high off your love, I don't know how to tell me your brown sugar.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy and this is Wendy with the Eye. On my channel, I talk about a ton of different things. I've been talking about weight loss, cosmetic surgery, fashion, beauty lifestyle, you know, all the usual. Talk a lot about luxury. Yeah, but recently I've been talking about my home and things that I have purchased to help me fill up the space in my home, make my home feel more functional. Yeah, so this is gonna be another home vlog, if you will. So the last video that I posted was about some Amazon items that I saw and I purchased for the home, and you saw me put them together. I only had, so there were 3 items that I purchased from Amazon in the last video, and I only kept 2 of them. It's the bench that I'm sitting on now in my room, and then the bench that is like right outside of my room in the hallway. So those are the only 2 things that worked for me. The third item, or the third and fourth item, would have been those metal nightstands. They were just too small and it was too complex to put together. It was ridiculous. And so I was like, yeah, when I buy new nightstands, they're going to be the ones that I actually want. Not ready to spend that pretty coin right now. So we're just going to keep rocking with what we got for Walmart. Yeah, so that is the video. That's kind of the intro. Now, girl, you do not have to ask me why I'm wearing sunglasses inside my home talking to you, because I will tell you. I just came from getting my second PRF treatment. If you don't know what is it PRF or PFR? I can never remember. I think it's PRF because it stands for like platelet rich something. Anyways, girl, don't get me to lying. But so I have just come from my second procedure, and so I'm actually doing a dedicated video for my entire process. The process, the initial process is like 3 treatments, and so like after the 3rd treatment, I'm gonna do a video and I'll show you girls what's been going on with that. But in the meantime, just know that she looks like she's been in a brawl fight and she lost. That's what she looks like under here, behind here. Okay, so yeah, so I will be wearing these glasses for the next few days. I'm so tickled. I am so tickled at myself when I think about the things that we do to enhance, you know, our natural beauty. Because this is actually a natural procedure. They take your blood, they take your platelets, and they put them under your eyes. So anyways, so that's neither here nor there. If you want to hear more about that, just stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel so that you'll get to see whenever that gets uploaded. I think I have some reels on that on my TikTok and like all my channels. So like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I think I made a reel about it and said, you know, more coming soon. So you can go over there and check those out too. So, and follow me on all the channels, because why not? Anyway, so today, this video is more home finds. I think in the last video I talked about finding a shoe rack, shoe rack to put in my little laundry area, because I was sick and tired of like seeing those shoes. Let's walk and talk. Hold. All right. We're walking and we're talking. So it's been a productive day today. I've been washing, but this is the area that I've been talking about. So these are the shoes that I wear most times. Most time I'm going to the gym. So like those are all gym shoes. And then, you know, I have some Burberry slides there. And I also have some shoes over here. Because when I go out of the front door, I need something to wear. And so these are my LV slides. And then I usually wear these in the house to work out. I've worn them outside, so it's like really I'm contaminating my house by doing that. But I do wash my shoes, so yeah, that's that on that. But yeah, so because I'm tired of looking at that, I bought this. So this is the shoe, what did I call it just a second ago? The shoe cabinet, whatever. Shoe dresser. Gosh, I have no idea what I just call it, but you know what I'm talking about. You saw me open that box outside and bring all this stuff in. And when I first opened it and I saw all these little pieces right here, and these little these little pouches, you see all those pouches? I said, excuse me, do I really want to do this? And the answer is, gosh, I don't know. The answer is I don't know. Hold on. Yes, so the answer is I don't know. This looks like it's gonna be kind of difficult. I hope it's not, because I don't have time. Like I have time, but I have time, but I don't have time. You know what I'm talking about? And I live in an area where I don't think like I can get TaskRabbit. I tried like a year or two ago. Maybe I should try again just to see if there's like TaskRabbit available in my area. But this would be one of those things, because honey, look at that. Like, anyway, child. So in this video, because I'm going to put this together, I'm starting to get a little hot, because I'm just like thinking about how this is about to be a mess. Let's turn on the fan. Let's get the fan going. I'm going to turn down the heat because it's cold here. Well, it was cold this morning. It's not so cold right now. I think it's like in the 60s, but it was like in the 40s, I want to say, this morning. I'm like, what are we doing? We're supposed to be in the spring. Yeah, so I think I'm going to take this sweatshirt off before I get started. I'm going to set you guys up, and I'm going to let you see me try to put this thing together. I'm trying to think. I do have something else coming. I think it's supposed to come tomorrow. It's not something I have to put together, but it is a part of like this house series situation. So I think what I'll do is put this together today, wait on the package tomorrow, and let y'all see that, and then post the video. So if anything that you see in this video that you like, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. So go there if you like what you see. Lord. Okay. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, y'all, here it is. How cute is she? Now, it took me an hour to put this together, so just keep that in mind if you want to get this. I'm sure if you got like a TaskRabbit or something to do it, it would take less time. You saw me try the shoes in here to try to figure out like where this part goes, because I couldn't figure out if the shoes went here or here, but they really can just go wherever you want, or they can go here and there, you know. So yeah, it seems pretty sturdy. And side note, it just got too hot in here to like try to hide my face and the shades, so the shades went bye-bye. So yeah, my face looks crazy, but you know, disregard. This is about this piece here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and put this where it's supposed to be, and we'll see how it looks. All right. It's so cute. I think I said this, maybe I didn't, but I actually thought about getting black because of the cabinets. But I think I like this. I also thought about getting white to see if I could blend it in with the wall, but I like it. It's cute. She's cute. And I also think it's really cool that I have a place now to set like my keys in my bag before heading out of that door to my garage. So I'm excited. Yay. Okay, yay. So now that that's done, glasses back on, I am going to take a shower because that thing was hard to put. It wasn't hard. It was just really time consuming. It took an hour. And yeah, I just wasn't expecting to like exert that much energy and sweat a little bit. So I'm going to go take a shower, and in the day tomorrow, we'll have another package and I'll show you what it is. It actually has something to do with this little corner right here. The last time you saw that corner, it had the clothing rack, and so I have taken down the clothing rack, so the clothing rack is no more. And so so yeah, we're gonna do something different there, but I'll show you tomorrow. Bye.
Nigga, my crack sale. My brother in the kitchen and he rapping the bill. Louis V my bag and Louis V on my bill.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor gets to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you, nah, nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you, nah, nah. Cigars on ice. Feeling like an animal with these cameras all in my grill. Flashing lights.
So you should have seen me unbox. Well, it was on the side of the house, so you probably did not see me unbox this mirror from Walmart. Yeah, so it's really tall, not as wide as I would like it to be, but it's fine. yeah, I'm just not paying. I don't want to pay what I think I would have to pay to get something that's like super wide. So yeah. So this is her, and she's fine, I guess. Yeah. She looks fine. Yeah, I feel like I feel like I'm sounding like I don't like it, but I do like it. I'm confused at what I want to do with this corner is why I'm sounding like this. I just don't know. I don't know what I wanted to do with this corner. Apparently, now that I have the items that I wanted in this corner here. And I thought I had it like mapped out how I wanted it, but I don't know. I like this. I think this looks cute. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's cute. I don't know. I thought the bench looked lonely over there, right? So I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with this, I think. But this is the mirror that I got from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, but it was like a really good deal. Or not a really good deal, but I mean like a really good price. I don't remember how tall, maybe 7 feet, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm fibbing. I don't know, but it's pretty tall. Not as wide, again, as I would like, but this is like fine. It's fine for me. I have so many mirrors in this house that like it doesn't matter. I like mirrors, obviously. So I think it fits the vibe. I did move. I moved that lamp in here from the living room, and I've already ordered something to go into that little space over there. I don't know. I'm just moving things around. I'm just trying to figure out what I like and what I don't like. And that's what we're going to do, specifically with this piece. So yeah, so I think what I'm going to do now, because I'm not sure if that item, I don't know when that item's coming in. I think it's coming in. Actually, I think it's coming tomorrow. So if it comes tomorrow, I will probably, just like film it and show you guys and tell you where I got it from and all that good stuff. Otherwise, this will be the end of the video. But yeah, so like I said yesterday, with the shoe rack, links are below in the description box. So if you want any of these links to these items, that's where they are. Got this from Walmart, great price. Also, I'm really liking this. I did actually put like my LV slides that I like pull out all the time under here. So I don't know if that's how they're gonna live, but at least they're not like totally 100% out. So I feel good about that. But all right, guys, I'm not going to turn this around because I still look crazy, and I need to get ready for my nail appointment because they're looking crusty. And also, I got to get my eyebrows done today too, and I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to be like, because I'm wearing glasses the entire time. And I'm going to have to be like, listen, I got, I got a little injection under the eye. Nothing crazy is happening. I live alone, so nobody beat me up. But anyways, okay. Talk to y'all later. Okay, I moved it back because I think I like this better. I don't know. I'm gonna have to live with it for a little bit to see. But anyways, I do like it. It's cute. I like having a mirror. Excuse the under eye. I like having the mirror here again because I just missed it. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I have been just playing with this area. Let me get out of the way. Playing with this area all night. Not all night, but like just trying to figure out what it needed. It just needed a little bit of styling. I have this throw that I actually used in the living room. I think it's a little bit too, like it pulls a little bit warmer than I want it to. So that's just temporary right now. I'll probably like find a throw that better fits in here, but this is kind of the idea. And then that pillow is something that is just like a throw pillow that I've used in the living room, in the guest room, even in here. And I don't know. I mean, it's fine. I just figured that I thought that it was a little bit too plain for me. Like I like plain, but it was a little too plain for me. So I'm starting to like it better. Starting to try to figure out if I want to do like a picture collage or something right here. Excuse me. In front of or on top of or above above the bench. Still just trying to fill it out, but I think it's coming together. Like it's starting, yeah, spaces are starting to get filled that I'm really excited about. So yeah, like it. Hey guys, it is Saturday. I was supposed to get my the piece that was going to go in that corner today, but I just got a notification to say that it was delayed. So I'm gonna end the video here, and we'll catch up on that item the next time. So thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, bye.